Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you the comparisons of the viewport navigations between the Unreal Engines and iClone 8. I'm going to compare both of them, the Unreal Engine versus iClone 8. So we start from the Unreal Engines. The viewport navigations, you can just simply click and hold the mouse right buttons and then use the ASWD buttons to just move your viewport to just view anywhere, go to everywhere. It is just really simple. And of course, if you don't use the holding right buttons and AWSD, you can also just hold the alternate buttons and drag your mouse left buttons, then you can rotate the viewport. And then if you hold the alternate buttons and use your mouse middle buttons, you can move the mouse middle buttons. And then to zoom in and zoom out, you can just scroll your mouse middle buttons. Just scroll up and scroll down. It is really simple. And then let us look at the iClones. The iClone 8, this is iClone 8 3D animation software. So to rotate, you have to press C buttons. Then you have to make sure you select something and press C button. Then just use your mouse left buttons, hold it, you can rotate it. If you hold the shift buttons at the same time, you rotate it, it can go much faster. And then to zoom in and zoom out, it is same as the Unreal Engine, just use the mouse scroll the mouse middle buttons. If at the same time you hold the shift buttons and you scroll, the scrolling speed will be much faster. Zoom in and zoom out much faster. If you want to move the viewport, you can just press X, then use your mouse button to drag it. You can move the viewport. If you hold the shift, then you can move it much faster. Then to zoom in and zoom out, if you press G buttons, then use your mouse left click, you hold your left click, then you can zoom in and zoom out. And of course you can just use your mouse wheel to just zoom in and zoom out. Just scroll your mouse wheel. It is really simple. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on the comparisons between the viewport navigations of the Unreal Engines and also the iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!